From Morro Bay, we headed north to Big Sur to look for other animals on their paths of migration. Tucked within Andrew Malero State Park is the Research and Education Center of the Ventana Wildlife Society. When we arrived, staff and interns were tracking resident and migratory songbirds. Birds are collected in mist nets and taken back to the research laboratory for banding and recording data, such as wing length and weight, to assess general health before releasing them back to the wild. We hiked with Jessica Griffiths, a wildlife biologist, to a butterfly grove. This is one of the sites along the California coast where monarch butterflies west of the Rockies migrate for the winter.
So these butterflies come from up to 3,000 miles away from all over the western United States to spots just like this on the California coast. And they come here because the weather is very mild and it doesn't freeze, and they can seek shelter from the winter storms.
These insects are solar driven. They become active as the sun warms up their wings and bodies. They won't fly unless temperatures reach 55 degrees. In many species of animals, the same individuals travel the same routes year after year. What makes these monarchs so unique is that they've never been here before. It takes an average of 5 generations to complete one migration.
So how does the next generation of butterflies know where to go?
Well, actually, each butterfly has that information genetically encoded inside it. And so during the fall, as the days get shorter, that triggers the migration instinct inside the butterfly, and they know to start flying west towards the coast.
By forming dense clusters, these tiny animals protect themselves from rain and provide warmth for the group. Biologists like Jessica track monarch populations to learn more about these incredible insects and their migration habits. We thought it was interesting to learn that monarchs may go in search of flower nectar, but they can go for long periods of time with no food at all. We also learned that their wings are made of thousands of miniature scale-like shingles called chitin, which is a material like our fingernails, but much thinner.
Hey, I learned that butterflies can taste with their feet. Isn't that cool?